Oh my god, it looks so crusty. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday, August 11th. Just currently a quarter to 11 and I just woke up. We're going to IKEA today and I'm vlogging. I have my retainers in, sorry for the lisp. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Did my makeup and I'm wearing a kind of bummy, not bummy, but like cute bummy outfit because I wanted to wear my sneakers and they don't go with a lot. Yes, I'm just wearing these shorts. These shorts are from Primark. This shirt is from Forever 21. And I'm gonna wear my sneakers so you guys will see the full fit. So this the fit. These sneakers, I mean, it's not the cutest outfit, but I want to be comfortable because we go shopping. Yo, we out here at IKEA. Yo. Yo. I should probably making a silent video here. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna use some noodles. What's this? Some tea bags. We're gonna make a cooking with Sarah video because this bowl is so cool.
Also this one?
What includes the countertops and
wow, this outside is so lovely. Love that. Lavish living. She's in heaven right now.
over here, because you can still.
Yeah, I'm wearing this today.
How much this chair is? 179.
Good night. Hey guys, so I'm back from IKEA and I didn't really vlog much because I didn't get to. It was super crowded. I was just like not. Whatever. Sorry for the background. I'm gonna film a mini haul because I actually got a lot of stuff for my room. Let's get into it. It's gonna be like up and at it. So my closet is an absolute mess still. I got this closet organizer. I'm just like throwing stuff in here like shoes and stuff. Like I don't really wear these shoes as much, so I just threw them in there. These I wear more, so I put them up top. I put a hoodie down there that was just lying around. Some boots for the winter. You know, some sandals, whatever. So yeah, that's the first thing I bought. This was $4. This whole organizer, the hanging organizer, is $4. The thing I bought is this lamp, like mini lamp. It was like $3. It was $4 actually. And I thought it was so cute. I was like, what the heck? Like, why is this so cute? And you just switch it on and off like this. And it's just so cute and tiny, you know? My hangers are a little outdated, so I got some new hangers. This was a package of 10 for like $1.50, and they're not like thick or like the best quality, but like for me, I don't really hang stuff up that much, but I needed new hangers, so I scooped. My mom and I, so obsessed with pansies and stuff. This was $5. I had to pick it up. It's just so cute. Like, I can literally hug you. Like, how cute is this? I saw this plant. It's fake plant, like I could not keep a real plant to save my life, so I picked it up. It's inside the gray thing because this was like 50 cents like for these, and I just thought this was really pretty. Like it's like has like white, you know, it's fake, so we love her. The plant was $5 and the container was like 50 cents. I saw this clock and I was like, wow, it's so cute. This clock was $2.50 or $3, and it's noiseless. Like it doesn't make any noise, which I like because I hate loud clocks, especially when you're sleeping at night. Like it's so annoying. This one does not make any noise. Like listen, like how nice is that? It doesn't make any noise at all. Then we spotted these candles. I took off the cover part because it was the plastic. It's a vanilla like ice cream candle, and it was 79 cents. Like obviously it's not the best like candle, but for 79 cents it's so pretty. It's just white to decorate my room a little bit and to make it smell better. So yeah, that's really all I got from IKEA. I feel like I got more, but I didn't. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. I'm sorry this was a little short, but hey, it's fine. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you guys soon.